how to change iPhone apps icon without shortcut app. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you change iPhone apps icon without shortcut apps. So let's get started. As for this, you can use the third-party application. Simply open App Store. Now from here, you can find all of the applications that will provide you to apply custom themes and icons directly. Application will be like Moloko, Themify, Brass or Icon Themer. Simply you can search any application for your theme customization on your iPhone. After that, simply you'll have to install and you can easily customize your iPhone home screen, and from that way you can change the iPhone app icons without using shortcut app. So this is the method. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.